how to change font in Canva PC. Now, if you want to go ahead and change your font in Canva, this is how you're going to be doing it. But before starting off, if you want to use Canva and its pro versions for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. Now, to change fonts in Canva, what we're going to be doing is, let's say I'm going to go into a new design for myself. All right. Now, this is obviously one way to change your design. What you're going to do is you're going to come here and simply up here, it's going to show you the font section. So just click on any text, click on the font sections, and from here, you can start changing your fonts to whatever you want. It's up to you. Okay, so this is one way to change your fonts. The other way that you can do it is by adding fonts for yourself. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your home, and down here it says brand. So you're going to click on brand, and once you click on brand over here, what you can actually do is you can add your very own branding or you can add your very own fonts, basically. Okay. And it's really simple to do so. All you're going to be doing is just making sure that in your branding, it allows you the option to add your very own fonts, and it should generally have that option in the branding section. Now, I already have the Pro Classroom version, which allows me to add things easily by simply going ahead and creating a design. And once I create a design and I go over to any design, like for example, this one, what I can do is I can go over to this section where it says brand. And over here, it's going to give me the option to add any font I want. So that is basically how you're going to be changing font in Canva PC 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. To make sure to check the link down in the description below to get Canva for yourself. And that is all from me. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.